Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a Matplotlib library on PyCharm IDE. So it's very easy. So first of all, open your PyCharm IDE. So you can see I created a simple project. So you just need to go to file and then click on settings to reach the package section, and then click on project option, and then go to Python interpreter. So now you can see I already installed pip.py. So to install a Matplotlib, you just need to click on this plus option and then search here Matplotlib, and you can see here it is Matplotlib. So just click on it and then click on install package. So just wait for some seconds. So you can see we successfully installed Matplotlib. So just click on close option. So here you can also see the Matplotlib is successfully installed. So you can see here when I try to uninstall any package, you just click on that package and then click on minus option. So it will see that numpy package is required for pandas and Matplotlib. So I will click on no. So this is how you can install Matplotlib on PyCharm IDE. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.